Okay, good afternoon, students. I wanted to show you how you could start using your digital notebook. If you want to do that to keep track of your notes instead of using a paper notebook, I wanted to try a digital notebook instead, if you want. Okay, this would be a good year to try a digital notebook since we're trying to get away from paper. So I wanted to show you how to use it. I will say this, if you don't know how to copy and paste, because I can't show you that on a Dell. I'm on a Dell. Okay, you're on a Chromebook. So if you do not know how to copy and paste on a Chromebook, you may want to check the other video out that's on this announcement. Okay, it's above this. Okay, but just the big idea. You're all going to get a binder. Okay, you could be in my 7th grade class or my 8th grade class or my challenge class. So the binders will be a little different, but they're still going to just have the main topics and places for you to write your notes. Okay, this is in your Canvas modules section. Okay, if you go to modules and you, it's just going to be the first module. I believe it's going to be titled Digital Notebook. Okay, so just click on it and you'll get this. Okay, so as a 7th grader, what I'm going to do is show you present mode. As a 7th grader, I'm going to start the year out doing working with rational numbers. See, I'm just clicking my slide button here to go to the next slide. And then I have, let me do that. Okay, then I have some blank pages to put your notes, things that you want to write down about rational numbers throughout the year. Okay, next thing 7th graders are going to do, proportions and percent. Okay, and again, there's room to put notes in over those that section, that topic. Okay, that's what the whole notebook is. It's the topics we're going to do throughout the year and places for you to keep track of important ideas. Okay, so you could do that on paper, but you can also try this and do it in a digital form. Okay. Okay, to actually put your notes in, let's see, you don't want to be in present mode when you're actually inserting the ideas in. So let's say everybody's doing rational numbers at the beginning. Okay, it doesn't matter which class I have you for. Everybody is going to be in the first section of your binder. And I believe it's something to do with rational numbers. It may be a little tweaked for my challenge kids. Okay, so if I'm going to start putting notes in, I'm going to click on the first page. Okay, see it says click to add text. Okay, I can click. If I'm working through my Nearpods, Google Slides, whatever, and I know that there's some important ideas, I could type. I could type words and I could type ideas out, and some of you may choose to do that. Okay, but you can also copy and paste. So I want to show you that. Okay, so what I have here, I have my first Nearpod lesson as a 7th grader on another tab. Okay, 7th graders are doing integers, absolute value, and opposites. Okay, so as you work through a Nearpod or whatever it is you're doing when you're studying a topic, whenever you find some important information, like some summary pages or just some definitions, things like that, you could copy and paste. So let's do that I'll just show you how in this first slide of information. The following numbers are integers. Okay, negative numbers, positive numbers, 0. They don't include fractions or decimals. I think that's really important. I don't want to forget that. So I want to put that in my notebook. Okay, so you are going to click Control, Shift, and the button above the 6. Okay, because you have a Chromebook. So Control, Shift, button above the 6. Okay, I'm going to do it a different way. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing that I'm doing right here. I'm going to put, see my cursor? I want my cursor to be on the left of everything I want. So on the left side, and I want it to be above. I'm just trying to capture just the stuff that I want to copy. So that's kind of my corner. I'm going to put my left finger down on my mouse. Then I'm going to take my right finger, and I'm just going to put the rectangle around just what I want. Okay, you don't have to use 2 different fingers, but boy, I have a lot more control. Maybe it's just because I'm old. Okay, once you have the exactly what you want copied, just let go. Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to see copy to clipboard on the bottom right hand corner. So you're going to click copy to clipboard. So ignore what I'm doing. Okay, then you can click to your tab of your rational number page. Okay, not present mode, right? Just the regular mode. Okay, just click down below rational numbers. And then to paste, you can either click Control V. I like to double tap and click paste. See, there it is. So that's something I really want to know about rational numbers. I'm going to make it smaller. Move it. Get as big or small as you want. That you want to have room for other things too. Click. I think you can get rid. I think you could get rid of the text box if you don't think you need it, just by clicking on it and backspacing. If that bugs you. Okay, but that's really it. You want to be able to take important ideas, regardless of where they're from, Nearpods, Google Slides, worksheets, and just paste them into your notebook. Okay, I'm going to spend time when we get back Tuesday. Okay, I will help you with this if you're having trouble, but I have a lot of kids that have been emailing me asking what it's all about. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and I'll help you.